Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Today I'm introducing something powerful and completely original, the Financial Ascension Field. This is the invisible field around your life that determines how fast or slow you rise financially. Some people live in a field that suppresses their growth. Medium white star section 1. What is the Financial Ascension Field? Think of the Financial Ascension Field as the atmosphere around your habits, relationships, beliefs, systems, and identity. This atmosphere controls your opportunities, your breakthroughs, your earning capacity, your financial intuition, your consistency. When your field is weak, everything feels difficult. When your field is strong, wealth elevates you naturally. Medium white star section 2. The 3 layers of the Ascension Field. Layer 1. The ground layer, your daily frequency. This is your daily rhythm, your habits, routines, choices, and discipline. It controls your minimum financial outcome. Signs: your ground layer is weak. Random days, inconsistent work, no wealth rhythm, emotional decisions strengthen this layer, and your financial floor rises automatically. Layer 2. The mid-air layer, your wealth identity. This layer determines how you see yourself, your confidence, your earning belief, what you think you deserve, what you think is possible. Here is the truth. Your finances cannot permanently rise above your identity. When your identity grows, your income follows. Layer 3. The high-altitude layer, your wealth systems. This is where long-term wealth is created. Assets, automation, networks, structures, scalable skills. Leverage this layer multiplies everything in the lower layers. Medium white star section 3. How to enter the Financial Ascension Field. Reset your ground layer, 30-day rebuild. Fix your routine, discipline, and energy consistency. This raises your minimum financial level. Upgrade your wealth identity, mental elevation. You must become the person whose mindset matches the money you want. Activate high-altitude systems, wealth multipliers. Systems create the lift that pushes you into long-term financial elevation. When all 3 layers activate, you rise effortlessly. Medium white star section 4. Signs you have entered the Ascension Field. You stop forcing outcomes, money flows smoother, right opportunities start finding you, creativity increases, wealth becomes predictable, your lifestyle stabilizes, your focus sharpens, you feel lifted instead of exhausted. This is the power of the Financial Ascension Field.